Why every parent takes their kid to get their photo with Santa. You know, it's fun, it's festive. We're gonna put them on our Christmas cards. We're gonna hang them around the house and send them out to everybody.
One of our friends did it on Facebook and we saw it and we're like, we have to do it. We like that the money goes obviously to a charity and it's some of the best Christmas photos that we get. So we ended up putting it in our calendar for the family, or we also put it in our Christmas cards.
Happy holidays. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Dogs are just like kids. Some of them will jump up in your lap, other ones will run away from you. Some will sit in your lap and cry the whole time. Everybody says, how are the kids? I said, the kids are great. Once in a while, the parents aren't so easy to get along.
Well, you were posing, guys, so. All right.